Hello dears, this is Satyamurthy from Bharathidhasanar Matric Secondary School, Arakkonam. Today I am going to continue 12th mathematics, that is exercise number 1.3, question number 3. Listen dears, in this question, a man is appointed in a job with monthly salary of certain amount. Listen dears, a man appointed in a job with monthly salary, that is fixed amount, and a fixed amount of annual increment also fixed. Every year fixed amount they are giving increment to that person. If his salary was 19,800 per month at the end of the first month of after 3 years of service, and 23,400 rupees per month at the end of the first month of after 9 years. Listen yes. So 19,800 rupees they are giving at the end of the first month of the after 3 years. So 23,400 per month they are giving after 9 years. So end of the after 9 years. So find his salary, starting salary and his annual increment. So now I am going to assume in the solution X be the monthly salary or starting salary, X be the salary, and let Y be the annual increment. Listen yes. So starting salaries, that is fixed, the annual increment fixed amount. So there is no changes, they are giving the increment fixed amount. From this I am going to write form a equation. Listen, so in the end of the 3 years, so after 3 years he is getting starting salary plus 3 years increment. Listen yes. So first what they are getting, so present the beginning salary, that is starting salary plus what is that, 3 years increments. So that is 19,800. From this I am going to write the first equation, starting salary X plus 3 years increment. So 3-year increment is Y equal to, after 3 years he is getting 19,800. 19,800. This is first equation. The second condition they are given 23,400 per month at the end of the 9 years. So same thing, starting salary plus 9 years increment equal to, so what is salary after 9 years? 23,400. Now I am going to use matrix inversion method. From this I am going to form the matrix form. Listen, very simple. Now first write the coefficients of x and y. So from the first equation, coefficient of x is 1. From the second equation, coefficient of y is 3, and from the second equation 1, 9. This is into coefficients, that is variables x and y. This is column matrix which is equal to constant values, that is B matrix. In the first constant value is what? 19,800, second value is 23,400. So that is also column matrix. From this now you can write 19,800, second 23,400. Listen yes. Now from this it is in the form of Ax equal to B. From this we can write x equal to A inverse into B. So then only we can find x and y, because x is the starting salary, y is the increment. So we are going to find starting salary and annual increment. From this now I am going to find first A inverse I want to find. So I have the A matrix. From this we can write A equal to, so from this matrix A, that is equal to 2 by 2 matrix 1, 3, 1, 9, and X matrix, that is X, Y, and B matrix. Listen dears, B matrix is what? 19,800 plus 23,400. Now first I want to find A inverse. To find A inverse, first we need to find determinant of A and adjoint of A. So very simple, from this I am going to find determinant of A. Determinant of A equal to, so determinant always denoted by double bars, so 1 3 1 9. Now simplify this, take cross multiply, 1 9 is 9 minus 3. So which is equal to 6. This is not equal to 0. Therefore, if you get not equal to 0, A inverse exists here. From this, now I am going to find adjoint of A. Adjoint of A equal to, in the 2 by 2 matrix, very simple. From the given matrix, we need to change the leading diagonal values and change the sign to another diagonal values. Listen, this is applicable for only 2 by 2 matrix. So 9 1, the main diagonal, leading diagonal value I have changed. Next I am going to change the sign to the another diagonal values. So plus 3 is there, minus 3, and plus 1 is there, minus 1. So another diagonal signs I have changed. So this is adjoint of A. From this easily we can find A inverse, which is equal to, what is the formula for this? 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A. Adjoint of A. Listen, next what is the determinant of A? Determinant of A is 6. Therefore 1 by 6 into adjoint of A is 9 minus 3 minus 1 plus 1. This is A inverse. Next I want to find X. So X equal to A inverse into B matrix. Listen, X equal to A inverse into B. From this A inverse is ready. So 1 by 6 into 9 minus 3 minus 1 plus 1. This is A inverse into B matrix, that is column matrix, 19,800, 19,800, the second row 23,400. Now I am going to take matrix multiplication. So this first row going to operate on this column matrix, 1 by 6. Before that we can simplify this. 1 by 6 is there. So 19,800 and 23,400 will be divisible by 6. I am going to divide it by 6, these numbers. So 9 minus 3 minus 1 plus 1. Listen, yes, 6 how many times in 19? Listen, very simple. 6 3s are 18. So 3 times will come. 6 3s are 18. Remaining 1 is there. So again remaining 1. So again we will get 18. Again we will get 18. Again 3 times. 3 3s are 18. So there is 2 0. So after the cancellation we will get 3,300. The second value 20. How many times 6 in 23? So 6 4s are 24. So it is not possible. So again we will get 3 times. 18 times. So 18, 23 minus 18 is 5. 54 remaining is there. So how many times 6 and 54? 9 6 are 54. So 9 times. Therefore 39. So 00 is there. 39 00. Now you take matrix multiplication. From this, now x equal to, listen to this, very simple. 9 and minus 3 operated on this column matrix. First I am going to multiply 9 into 3,300. So don't consider this 2 zeros. 9 3s are 27. So 7 will come. Remaining 2. Again 9 3s are 27 plus 2, 29. Therefore 297 00 is there, 00. Do you understand? After this, minus 3 into 39. So again minus 3 into 9, what will come? 9 3s are 27. So minus should come 7 and 3 3s are 9. So 9 plus 2, because 9 3s are 27, I have written 7, remaining 2 is there. 3 3s are 9, 9 plus 2 is what will come? So 11. 1 1 7, so 00 is there. Listen, so second row operator on this column matrix, minus 1 into 3 3 00. So same thing, minus 3,300 will come. So again plus 1 into 3,900 plus 3,900. Now simplify these values. 29,700 minus 11,700. So very simple. Listen to this. 29,700 minus 11,700. So 0 0 cancel, 0 0, 7 7 cancel. 9 minus 1 8. So again 18 will come. So 18,000 is there because 0 0 0. So 18,000. 18,000 from 3,900 minus 3,300. So 3,000 will cancel. So 900 minus 300, what will come? 600. Therefore, this is 600. Capital X, that is X matrix is X, Y. So value of X is what? That is starting salary. And value of Y is annual increment. From this, we can write is starting salary is starting salary starting salary 18,000 rupees and increment equal to 600 rupees. That's it. Yes, they are asking you to find is monthly salary and annual increment. Is monthly salary is 18,000 and increment, annual increment is 600. That's it. That is value of X and Y. Listen, is very simple. They are giving in the questions fix the amount after 3 years. After 3 years, his salary is 19,800 per month. After 9 years, his salary is 23,400. So starting salary we don't know that, and increment also we don't know that. From that we are forming this equation. First we need to form this two equations. X means that is starting salary, 3y, so 3 times of increment after 3 years increment equal to 19,800. So from this we can solve after in the matrix inversion method. Finally we get the value of X and Y. That's it. Question number 4. 4 men and 4 women can finish a piece of work jointly in 3 days. Listen, yes, 4 men and 4 women together can finish the work within 3 days, while 2 men and 5 women can finish the same work jointly in 4 days. Listen, 4 men, 4 women finish that work within 3 days. 2 men and 5 women can finish that same work in 4 days. Find the time taken by one man alone and that one of the women alone to finish the same work by using matrix inversion method. Listen to us. So, now I am going to form equations. Listen, in the solution, first condition 4 men, 4 women. So, first I am going to consider X be the work done by a man in 1 day. So, X be the time taken by a man in 1 day. Time man in a day. Listen. So, Y be the time taken by women in a day. In a day. So, both men and women, how much work can finish in a day, within 1 day? Listen, 4 men and 4 women. Men, X be the time taken by a man in a day, in 1 day. Listen, yes, from that X 4x because 4 men plus 4 women Y, which is equal to, so totally they are taking 3 days. Now I am asking how much work can finish in a day. It means, so totally they are taking 3 days. So 1 pot in 3. Do you understand? So within 1 day they can finish 1 by 3. And the second equation, 2 men and 5 women. So 2x plus 5y. So these persons can finish that work within 4 days. In 1 day, 1 by 4. Do you understand? From this, now I am going to use, first you can simplify this, take cross multiplication, otherwise multiply by 3 on both sides. So 4 3s are 12x and 4 3s are plus 12y, which is equal to 1. So this is first equation. So same thing, so take cross multiplication, 2 4s are 8x from this, from the second equation, and 4 5s are 20 plus 20y equal to 1. So from this 1 and 2, I am going to form a matrix form, very simple. First always we used to write coefficient of x and y, that is A matrix. Listen, what is the coefficient of x in the first equation? 12, coefficient of y 12. So 12, 12. From the second equation coefficients we need to write, coefficient of x is 8, coefficient of y is 20. So 8, 20. So this is A matrix. From this, now x, y, and which is equal to constant values in the right hand side, that is B matrix 1 1. Listen, 1 1. It is in the form of Ax equal to B, where what is the value of A? A matrix, which is equal to, that is 2 by 2 matrix, 12 12 8 20, and X matrix, that is variables x y, and B matrix, that is column matrix, B matrix equal to 1 1. Now from this, from Ax equal to B, this A I want to take into right hand side. So x, which is equal to, it will change as A inverse into B. To find x, first I want to find A inverse. To find A inverse, we required adjoint of A and determinant of A. From this, now I am going to find the determinant of A. That is very simple. Determinant of A equal to 12 12 8 20. Now determine these values, take cross multiplication, 12 into 20, 12 to are 24, 240, minus 8 to are 16, 6, remaining 1, 8 1 is 8 and 9, 96. This is equal to 240 minus 96, that is what? 144. This is not equal to 0. If you get not equal to 0, A inverse exists here. After this, adjoint of A. So directly we can find the adjoint of A, that is only for 2 by 2 matrix. Now the two adjoint matrix, listen, now we need to change the leading diagonal values. So in the leading diagonal, 12 20 is there, 20 12, I have changed the values, and change the sign to the another diagonal values. Plus 12 is there, so minus 12, and plus 8 is there, minus 8. So this is adjoint of A. From this I can find inverse, A inverse. A inverse, which is equal to 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A. Now we have the values. 1 by determinant of A is what? Determinant of A is 144. 144 into adjoint of A is 20 minus 12 and minus 8 plus 12. This is adjoint of A. A inverse is ready. Next I am going to find X matrix. From this, listen, X, which is equal to A inverse into B matrix. So A inverse is what? So already we have find that is 1 by 144 into 20 minus 12 minus 8 plus 12. Now I am going to write that 1 by 144 into the first row 20 minus 12. From the second row, minus 8 plus 12, minus 8 plus 12 into B matrix, that is column matrix, that values are 1 1. Very simple. So 1 by 144, just keep it outside. Listen, now I am going to take matrix multiplication. So first row of the A inverse matrix, listen, first row of the first matrix operated on that column matrix. From this 20 into 1 20 and minus 12 into 1 minus 12. So first row first column over. So second row operated on that column matrix, minus 8 plus 12. After the simplification, 1 by 144 into 20 minus 12 plus 8 minus 8 plus 12 plus 4. After this cancellation, listen dears, very simple. So how many times 8 cancel with 144? In 14, 144 divided by 8, only one time will come, because 8 2s are 16. So remaining is what? 8, remaining 6 will come. So 64, 8 8s are 64. So again 64, remaining 0 will come. From this 18, 1 by 18, 1 by 18 and 144 divided by 4. First we cancel this, very simple. 3 4s are 12, remaining 2 will come in 24. 6 4s are 24. So therefore 1 by 36. Listen, so x means, that is small x small y, that is column matrix. So capital X, which is equal to 1 by 18. So x equal to 1 by 18, y equal to 1 by 36. They are asking, so how many days the person x take to finish that work? How many days the person women take to complete that work? So reciprocal this value, because x is how many, x is the work done by the men in one day. Listen dears, x means what? That is works in one day. Listen, from this how many days the man can complete within 18 days. Therefore from this man taken to complete the work (18 days). Women taken to complete the work (36 days). That's it.